Morgen. Ich spiele heute mal das Spiel da. Ich schaue mal, was ich da alles einstellen kann. Der Ton ist grundsätzlich viel zu laut, wie meistens. Musik brauche ich praktisch keine. Da schauen wir uns auch mal durch. Ja, das probieren wir jetzt einfach mal. Also jetzt ist es noch nie gespielt. Mal schauen, was das so kann. Es sieht so ein bisschen ähnlich aus wie ein Dune. Wir spielen mal das Tutorial. Das ist ja jedes Gang ein bisschen anders. Aber wir würden gerne spielen. So, ja, danke.
In this tutorial, you'll learn the basics of how to play.
Jetzt erzählt er mir das auf Englisch. Aber mit deutschen Untertitel immer. Gut, jetzt.
Objectives are displayed on the left. These are your gameplay goals.
Ja.
Select a unit by left-clicking or dragging a selection box around the unit.
Carrier copy.
Left-click and hold to drag a selection box around several units.
Also
Strike confirmed.
Oder
Move selected units by clicking the right mouse button on a position.
das müssen wir da
Cleared for
so.
move.
Das ist ja mal Standard, hä?
Hold Shift when issuing commands to cue them.
Also zuerst daher
Destination set.
und dann daher. Okay, daher. Halte die Umschalttaste.
Push up to that point.
Umschalt. Oh, das ist die Umschalttaste. Ist das die?
Let's move.
Auch schon, hä? Das wäre auch die Umschalttaste. Dann tut das. Das kenne ich aber nicht aus anderen Strategiespielen, dass man das an einen Befehlsartenschlag machen kann.
Next, you'll learn how to control the game camera.
Zoom und neigen die Kamera. Okay.
Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Das
Hold the
gut.
right mouse button and move the mouse to rotate and pitch the camera.
Aha. Ja.
Try this now. Press backspace to reset the camera to its default orientation.
Rücktaste. Rück.
Panning the camera is just as easy.
Schwenken. Wo ist das Trägerschiff?
Press the arrow keys on your keyboard. Or hold down the middle mouse button and move the mouse. Information about selected units is displayed in the bottom left. Command buttons like attack and move are displayed in the bottom right.
Aha.
This is a command carrier. It produces units for combat and resourcing.
Ach
The
so.
command carrier is your mobile headquarters. Durable but lightly armed.
Screens. This is
You can press the home or tilde key to select your carrier
Mit
at any time.
F1, okay.
keep getting what looks like
Select the command carrier now.
split
Wähle
second break.
jetzt das Kommandoschiff.
It is as something's draining power briefly. We caught it just by
Dann
accident.
F1
carrier,
drücken,
of course.
das
We'll look
Kommandoschiff.
into it from here. We've got
Gut.
ops and sensors checking to see.
Move the carrier to the marked position.
Copy that. We're gonna
Ja,
go
dann
to
kannst du
position
daher
two.
da.
Copy.
Trägerschiff da.
Press the F key to focus the game camera on selected units.
Mit
The
F.
camera will follow focused units while still allowing you to zoom and rotate. Pan the camera in any direction to break focus. Press the space bar to open the Sensors Manager.
Sensor Manager.
You can select and move units within the Sensors Manager. Red icons represent enemy units.
Oha.
White icons represent your units. Your selected units are green. Orange and blue triangles represent resources. Blue domes represent the sensor range or vision of your units. Enemy units within contact range are marked with a red circle. As your units get closer, they'll be in sensor range of the enemy. At this point, you will see each enemy unit clearly.
Und jetzt? Wieder schließen, hä? Okay.
When issuing an attack move command, you'll see a red line drawn between the selected unit and the mouse cursor.
Ja.
When this line appears broken, the selected unit cannot fire on its target. This indicates that high terrain or an obstacle is blocking the unit's line of fire. You will therefore have to move units around the obstacle or onto high ground.
Machen es nicht automatisch, hä? Blöde Einheiten.
Select your light attack vehicles and use them to destroy the enemy units. You can right-click an enemy unit to attack, or press A and left-click to attack move. To command your units to attack a group of enemies, hold the Control key and drag a box around the target enemy units.
Was? Das habe ich zugelassen. Okay.
Op ready.
Alles muss ich die zerstören, hä?
Move order confirmed.
Nicht gesehen. Kann man. Hier. Schießt es nicht automatisch?
Light attack vehicle is under fire. Strike craft destroyed.
Select the command carrier now. The command carrier has a unique power shunting system used to manage combat and production capability.
Ja.
Add all available power to the turret network system.
Turmnetz. Auf die Waffen. Ja, jetzt, wie mache ich es?
Active operators idle pressure check, run throughput diagnostic Echo 5, now monitor for
Waffen.
Weapon systems online.
Hostile detected. Visual unconfirmed.
Enemy forces are attacking the carrier. Destroy them.
Ahead full. Engage on site. Receiving.
Was ist das hier? Feindliche Truppenteile.
On our way. Red alert. Command carrier taking fire. Hostile strike.
With the right power distribution, the command carrier can hold its own in combat. Selecting a unit and pressing the move or attack move command button displays the terrain overlay.
Aha. Geländeeinblendung. Schön.
Some terrain is color shaded to display its relative height. The three colors of the terrain overlay represent high ground, low ground, and neutral ground. When a unit takes position on the high ground, it deals extra damage when attacking units on lower terrain.
Aha. Das ist mal gut, dass sie
The
höher
enemy
ist.
have deployed armored units. You'll have to
Gepanzerte.
find another way to defeat this enemy force. Railguns are most effective when firing from long range. However, they can be easily overwhelmed by short-range strike craft, like light attack vehicles.
Known inbound.
Contact
Designating
AO.
hostile. We copy. Board has been updated with hostile trackers.
Assign a control group by holding the control key and pressing a number key.
Hostiles designated.
Select the units in a control group by pressing the corresponding number key.
Position. Op ready.
Use the boost ability on your light attack vehicles to intercept the enemy. Select the light attack vehicles and left-click the boost ability button, then issue a move command.
Okay, also benutze Anlagen,
As
Railguns.
vehicle crews score kills in combat, they'll earn veterancy. Veterancy improves combat ability.
Hammer.
To see veterancy, select a vehicle and mouse over the ability button in the lower right corner of the command panel.
Strike craft.
Veteran units also have a veterancy badge visible on their health bar in the main game viewpoint. Repair and preserve veteran units. When your forces are outnumbered, veteran troops can turn the tide of battle.
Ja, ich hab's verstanden, was ich jetzt muss machen.
Coordinates confirmed.
Also, was muss ich jetzt machen? Feindliche Railguns, feindliche panzertankeres Fahrzeuge. Benutzen LAV, um Railguns zu zerstören.
Go for armor. Hostile designated.
Wenn wir jetzt auch mit allen gehen. Und dann irgendwie so schießen und so.
Enemy railgun eliminated. Got eyes on hostile. Hostile railguns opened up. Move out.
Gut. Okay, jetzt müssen wir gepanzerte, das ist irgendwo da, oder? Die gehen mal da
We're
rüber.
up and running.
So, habe ich da.
Go for carrier.
Nein, nein, nein.
PC out. Scan for contacts. Power to idle.
Wieso kann ich nicht
Checking on the
die
Phantom
Tasten
C42 for coolant leakage.
drücken?
Field reports are showing possible ruptures with these desert temperatures. Strike
Der
response
wird
good
mal hier
location.
wegmachen.
Starting system check.
Der da, das ist
Armor
der, so die
confirmed.
Panzerten, die gehen mal bis dafür,
We're
oder?
clear to proceed.
Dann warten wir mal, bis der da beieinander seid. Jetzt kann ich hier angreifen. Aha, bewegen und angreifen. Das ist nur bewegen. Stop, das ist bewachen. Und das ist Position Hold, okay. Also jetzt nehmen wir da aus. Nein, jetzt nehmen wir
Railgun
zuerst
copies.
die. Geht dafür.
Destination set.
Ah, wo seid ihr? Ah,
Armor
panzerte Aggressfassung.
Hostile armor incoming. Enemy contacts on the boy.
Mit Kontakt. So. Könnt ihr jetzt schon schießen oder nicht?
Op ready.
Also jetzt das machen, was passiert. Ah.
Let's clear out. Be ready to engage.
Sector operator contact report.
Output to minimum on island. Let's not see an accident then for Galaxy Control.
Ah, das ist natürlich nicht so ein bisschen falsch.
Light attack vehicle is under fire. Hostile armor eliminated. Unidentified contact. Designated hostile.
Was ist jetzt passiert?
The enemy has deployed a mixed attack force. No single unit type will excel at destroying this
Command
target.
drücken.
However, aircraft can attack this force with impunity.
Bring us to a stop.
Select the command carrier to launch aircraft. Launch aircraft by selecting the carrier and clicking the Launch Ability button. After left-clicking the button, left-click a target location to launch your aircraft.
Woher muss
While
es?
deployed, aircraft can be selected and issued commands just like other vehicles. Once their ammunition is depleted, aircraft will automatically return to the command carrier to reload and repair.
Strike fighter approach vector dialed in.
Ah, es ist jetzt mit Dingsbums gegangen mit.
Excellent work. You have completed the tutorial.
Schon.
You're ready to explore the vast deserts of Kharak.
Oh, danke schön, danke schön. Y-Basis. Wir machen das, wir machen das geht auf jeden Fall. Bis ich da weiß, wie es funktioniert. Da du mir Englisch was zutexten, du Spiel da. Puh. Ist jetzt grafisch nicht so ein Highlight. Das ist so ein bisschen wie Command and Conquer, Dune. Nur einfach schlechter.
Is dying. The desert grows with every passing year. The world is at war.
Da die Rachel.
An
Das ist
object
meine
has
Mission.
been detected deep within the Great Banded Desert. It has been called the Jiraki object, the primary anomaly. We believe
Aber
it
wir
may
werden es ja nicht
hold the
beklagen,
key
es ist
to
ein
its
gratis Spiel von
salvation.
Epic.
An expedition to retrieve it is being prepared.
Da gibt es ja auch Wochen so ein gratis Spiel. Das nehmen wir jede Woche, egal ob es jemals wird spielen oder nicht. Einfach aus Prinzip. Nicht Rachel überfahren. Das ist eigentlich auch schade, kann ich mit WASD die Karte nicht steuern. Das wäre noch gäbig. Aber das kann man vielleicht noch belegen. Ah, das Rachel-Fahrzeug. Es sieht auch so gezeichnet aus, hat nicht Geld gehabt für richtige Grafik. Und jetzt ist doch ein bisschen langweilig, euch zuzuschauen. Ich kann das sicher überspringen. Aber... Oh, da war ein grosses Fahrzeug. Ach, ich habe nicht gerne, wenn ich nicht Zeit habe.
Understood. Clearance to approach?
Epsilon-Basis.
This is the captain of the jet carrier Capisi. All crews, hangar 5. Stand by to initiate roll.
Also jetzt muss ich Hangar 5 und dann muss ich rollten.
Loading control module now. Stand by.
Ist das ein Steuermodul da? Das gibt das Fahrzeug?
Engage main drive.
Auch schon, hä? Hey Captain, Captain, geht's los?
Laneway clear. All stations green. Captain has the helm.
Der Captain steuert das selber.
Blue on all decks. Full complement aboard. Shutter test green. Get CENTCOM up. See if they have any new reports to share on the current AO. Alright, we're on top of it. Cooling tanks online at 4.3. Power plant reading 5 nines. Cycling at 30-second increments until 99 at 7.
Bringing systems online.
Das könnte der spannend.
Online. Resource control system online. Unit status
Okay.
online. Command system online. Objective tracking online. All
Zieltracking.
control systems successfully installed and online.
Systems confirmed. Rachel, redeploy to your base runner.
Oh, ich muss mich vorbereiten, bitte schön.
Attention all stations. This is Fleet Intelligence for the expedition carrier Capisi. I will be issuing all mission objectives through this channel.
Before departure, we need to run essential tests on our key capabilities. Vehicle production, resource salvaging, and combat operations. Time is of the essence, so let's run through these quickly. Fleet operations, is your channel clear?
Affirmative. I will be providing all non-critical updates on unit production, research, resource salvaging, and all carrier systems through this channel.
Copy that. Stand by to initiate production test.
Setze eine Was ist das? Hä?
First, deploy a salvager from the command carrier
Von der
Kapisi.
Kapizien. Ah, das ist ja gleich schon wie bei Dune. Hä? Konstruktionsmenü. Und er Rohstoffsammler hier. Und jetzt baut es da. Und jetzt kommt er raus.
Salvager online.
Stand by to commence resource test.
Sammle
Order the
Rohstoffe.
salvager to gather nearby resources located here. Ready.
Woher muss jetzt den schicken? Du Ding da. Tut das Ding da auch? Ah, das ist noch viel. Rohstoffe hier? Wirklich? Ernsthaft?
active.
Oh, das sieht aber nicht so prickelnd aus. Hä?
Rachel, the Kapisi support cruiser has suffered a mechanical failure and requires immediate repairs before departure.
Aha. Also,
Use your base runner to repair the support cruiser located here.
also Begleitkreuzer.
Rachel here.
Check your master bus reading
Reparieren.
Checking. System stable. All clear.
Ah, also ich passe. Begleitkreuzer. Wo bist du, du Begleitkreuzer?
CU deposit
Ah,
depleted.
du bist der Begleitkreuzer.
That unit is down. Get it back up and running.
Du bist
Initiating
ein
repairs.
kleiner, du kannst auch unmöglich ein Begleitkreuzer sein.
Repairs completed.
Good work, Rachel. Stand by for combat test. In order to produce combat vehicles, we will need to invest time and resources in upgrading our tech. The first step is to upgrade the Kapisi's advanced manufacturing facilities. Once that is done, we will be able to build light attack vehicles.
Go for Kapisi.
LAV Production. Wo ist jetzt das wieder? Verbesserte Produktion von leichten Angriffsfahrzeugen. Ja. Das bist nicht.
Kapisi, go ahead.
LAV. Wie muss ich die jetzt verbessern? Hallo, Spieli.
Awaiting orders.
Verbesserte Produktion von leichten Angriffsfahrzeugen. Ja, mache ich das.
Kapisi reading.
Was kann ich da machen? Reicht das Angriffs... Nicht, hä? LAV. Ah. Was ist das? Ah. Da. Einmal
Research
klickst.
completed. Light attack vehicle fabrication now online.
Wo jetzt? Ah, jetzt muss ich hier drücken. Ah,
Produce
jetzt kann ich
3 light attack vehicles from the Kapisi.
da 3 leichte Angriffsfahrzeuge. Citron, also. Machen wir 3 1, 2, 3.
Light attack vehicle online. Light
Also,
attack vehicle in service.
Alle 3.
Light attack vehicles ready.
Target drones are now ready for weapons testing.
We got something on.
Use the light attack vehicles to target and destroy the drones located here.
Okay.
Move to intercept.
Schiessen Sie dir jetzt auch mit euren Hangs?
Hold here.
Ah ja.
Copy. We're clear to engage. Copy. Target set.
Ah ja. Gut.
All required tests are complete. Give me a go, no-go for launch. Operations?
Go.
Bridge?
Go.
Rachel?
Science team's in place. We're go.
Engineering? Go. Confirm all systems go.
Gut so. Gehen wir jetzt endlich raus in die neue Welt.
Sajet carrier Capisi. We are go for launch.
Start.
Airport chart.
Outer doors opening.
Mass ratio in line. Tracking solid. Doors at 50%. Looking good. Bring engines to speed and move out. Outer doors at full aperture and secure. She's all yours, Captain. All stations, this is your captain. Today we embark on a historic mission to find and retrieve the Dyraki object. Lying at the heart of the Great Banded Desert, deep inside
So, hast du das Gefühl?
we believe it holds the key to our survival on this planet. The journey will be perilous, but if successful, we will change the course of history forever.
Ah,
Secure our
danke nicht.
future for generations to come.
Ich habe das Gefühl, es läuft ganz anders.
Personal log, Science Officer Rachel Sajet, Expedition Carrier Capisi. We've launched 3 months ahead of schedule and just in time. The Gaussian threat was far greater than we had anticipated. As the lead scientist on this expedition, I'm more convinced than ever that my brother was right. That what lies out there amongst the dunes holds the key to our survival on this
What an
planet
optimism.
and possibly beyond. We have no choice now but to believe.
Also ich bin hier. Ich habe nicht so viel. Aha, und dann so Zeugs. Jetzt soll ich da nächste Mission starten. Da passiert etwas. Der Friedhof. Das klingt vertrauenswürdig. Gestorben wird immer. Passt schon.
We have successfully entered the open desert and are safe. For now. Before leaving, we received this Gaussian transmission.
Attention, Kithid of the North. I am Kagan, of the Kith Gaussian, servant of the mighty Kharak. For generations, you have violated the first commandment of our Creator. By entering into space, you seek the stars. Now you invade our lands for the second time. Diplomacy
Aha.
has failed.
Das ist auch der Bösewicht da.
The suffering of this war will be nothing compared to the wrath of
Das
Sajet.
ist irgendetwas erzählt von
Along with the people of
Diplomatie.
Kharak.
Pah, Diplomatie.
We are now behind enemy lines. A Sajet lander carrying with it our sensors manager will rendezvous with us at the Boneyard, a salvage facility to the east. At the Boneyard, we will install the sensors manager, gather additional resources and expedition vehicles before moving out and proceeding to our designated target. The fate of the expedition, and possibly the North itself, now rests on us.
Das klingt unglaublich wichtig.
Boneyard Control, this is the Capisi. Request immediate clearance to dock. Copy, Capisi. We've been waiting for your arrival. You're cleared to dock. Cruiser standing by.
Boneyard Epsilon Lander 607 is wheeled down and prepping cargo for unload.
Roger that. Lowering module. Contact. Releasing clamps.
Sensors manager coming online.
Ja, das ist mein
The
Sensor
Capisi's
Manager.
desert refit is underway. While that happens, we need to gather as many resources as possible and reactivate retired units to bolster our fleet. Intelligence indicates Galcian forces are inbound on our location. We don't have long before they arrive. Rachel, you and the support cruiser need to reactivate the decommissioned units using your repair beams.
Copy that, Intel.
PDA active. Construction units identified.
The storm to the south is growing in intensity and has turned our way.
Back online. Move.
Cruiser reading. Maintenance personnel to stations.
Also das muss ich ein bisschen ernten. Dann muss ich ein bisschen flicken. Gut. Das schaffe ich auch noch nicht so. Bin ich jetzt schon fertig?
They have confirmed that multiple coalition bases have fallen, including Delta, Juno, and Epsilon. Here is under siege. It appears the Sedin carrier, the Sakala, also managed to escape. We are to rendezvous with her and continue on with the expedition at all costs.
Signal lost.
Additional groups of contacts detected and closing in. Perimeter turrets engaging enemy units. Keep those Galcian forces away from the Capisi and continue to gather resources and units until departure.
Be advised. Class 5 sandstorm detected on approach.
We've detected something. Can you confirm visual? Strike copies. Alert, sensor post lost.
Ich muss dort näher. Weiß nicht, ob er
Unidentified
geschossen
craft
oder
on
nicht.
approach. Mark the bearing. One of our turrets is taking fire. Allied craft has been engaged. Provide fire support.
Ja, komm.
Hostile strike craft down. Receiving.
Geht ihr nicht da, Jungs? Hallo?
Move and fire at will. Op ready.
This is Rachel. Go ahead.
Go for order.
Reporting.
Macht mal etwas.
exhausted.
Go ahead. Copy. Target set. Strike craft taking effective fire.
The Galcian attacks will continue. We require additional forces. We do not have a sufficient number of LAVs. collect more CUs and build more LAVs immediately.
Back up and running.
Check the latest from ops first. I sent the details over. Check your screen.
Dispersi.
Friendly interceptors crossing our airspace. Check your fire.
Bauen LAV mit der Kapizi. LAV.
PC, go ahead.
Und, was muss ich bauen? Vielleicht ein anderes Fahrzeug.
Inbound friendly contacts detected. Possible survivors from Epsilon or nearby bases.
I hope they make it. We're gonna need all the help we can get. Service. Light attack vehicle online.
Allied armor assault vehicles entering your area. Taking hits. We need immediate assistance.
Be advised, Allied armored assault vehicles are deploying smoke screens to break enemy line of sight.
Strike craft destroyed. We've got hostile on sensors. Confirm visual.
Warning, Stormfront arrival in approximately 7 minutes.
On our way.
Reading. Armor is en route. Galcian heavy railgun spotted. It will have difficulty targeting our units at short range. Our LAV's inherent speed and quick boost ability will allow them to close on enemy units quickly. Use this to gain the advantage. A second flight of friendly interceptors is passing through. Keep your crosshairs low.
We're clear. Transferring to your control. Be ready.
Allied units acquired. The more we save, the stronger we'll be as we enter the desert.
Wo ist Nitroschuh?
Pilot confirmed. Return.
We need to improve unit combat performance. Access engineering to select upgrades. New upgrade options to improve our light attack vehicles are currently available.
Green line confirmed. Alert. A turret post just went down.
I'm gonna upgrade.
Ready. Hammer it. Get us over there.
Support ready. Engage that target.
Hostile railguns have opened up. Hostile on sensors. Authentication pending.
Standing by. Science officer en route.
Cruiser ready. Green line confirmed. Armor ready. One of our turrets is taking fire.
Recommend improving unit survivability by investing in engineering upgrades.
Strike craft destroyed. Unidentified hostile incoming. Authentic.
That sandstorm is closing on us fast. 5 minutes until Stormfront impact.
Ready. Coordinates confirmed. Keep steady! Alert. Turret post destroyed. Hostile light attack vehicle visually authenticated. Ready. Fast attack pattern. Full speed. Go for armor. Armored vehicle has been destroyed. Reading. Enemy railgun firing on friendly. Hostile strike craft down. Don't move through my sight. Roger. Returning fire.
Ich da die anderen nicht.
Op ready. Confirmed. Railgun sighted. Reading for orders. The turret is under fire. Armored vehicle lost. We got something on the horizon. Waiting for eyes on to authenticate. Armored vehicle taking effective fire. Receiving. Receiving. Move fast. Keep steady. Watch your yard. Alert. A turret post just went down. Rachel is taking fire. Respond. Armored vehicle has been destroyed. PC copies. We've got a salvager under fire. Ready the carrier. We're advancing. Strike craft.
Sajet Salvage Depot. Allied Light Patrol Group. We are inbound on your location. Galcian Sandskimmers in pursuit. Request immediate support.
Order the Allied light attack vehicles to use their quick boost ability to escape the pursuing Galcian.
Light attack.
Stormfront arrival in approximately 3 minutes. We're running out of time.
LAV down.
Die andere mal gedruckt oben.
Armor ready. Move order confirmed.
Hostile light attack vehicle detected. Alert. Salvager lost. Alert. Light attack vehicle destroyed. Armored vehicle is taking fire. Hostile strike craft down. Hostile railguns have opened up. Armored vehicle lost. Hostile detected. Visual unconfirmed.
2 minutes until that storm hits. Boneyard staff transferring aboard.
Boneyard, Capisi. Allied Armor Group on approach. We're under fire and need immediate support. Confirmed.
Jetzt wäre schon wieder Einheit angegriffen. Wo dort ist? Ah, dort draussen. Okay. Da.
Reading.
Unit secured.
Contact! Counter!
Light attack vehicle is under fire. Strike craft destroyed. Armor vehicle taking effective fire. Enemy railgun.
Stormfront arrival in 1 minute. All crews, prepare the Capisi to move out.
Ready! Engage that railgun. Run circles around him.
Enemy railgun eliminated.
Fast attack. Capisi is ready for immediate egress. Ground units, eliminate remaining Galcian forces and prepare for departure.
Destination set.
Okay, was muss jetzt verteidigen? Können wir die Füße abschirmen? Was hat's denn noch? Oh, da hoch, da.
Enemy light attack vehicle marked on approach. Hostiles designated. Trackers assigned. A sensors post is taking fire.
Ja, jetzt soll wir noch mal kommen.
Strike craft taking effective fire.
Copy. We're clear to engage.
Receiving.
Hostile strike
Contact.
craft down.
Counter.
Salvager has been engaged. Alert. Sensor post destroyed. Hostile railguns have opened up.
Greetings. I know this is a science vessel. You have your orders.
Alert. LAV down.
Skimmer locked in.
Ready. Copy. Target set.
Receiving!
Let's get
Target!
down.
Strike craft destroyed. Alert. Light attack vehicle destroyed.
Swing around, maintain focus!
Hostile range craft destroyed. Light attack vehicle is under fire.
Dann will ich es raushaben, was sich da bewegt. Sehr.
All Galcian forces have been eliminated. Stormfront arrival imminent.
All right. Bring engines to full and move out.
Board's green. Reposition.
Ist es geschafft?
Wind speed in excess of 300 kilometers per hour.
Copy that. Engaging full shutters. Expect impact on my mark in 3, 2, 1.
Also der Friedhof haben wir scheinbar geschafft. He?
Officer Nathan Sajet, Expedition Carrier Capisi, Personal Log. Intelligence Officer Nathan Sajet, Expedition Carrier Capisi. To the north, Galcian forces are laying siege to our homes. There's no going back. The expedition must carry on. It's hard to believe it's been 4 years since our satellites detected the Jiraki object. That massive anomaly deep in the uncharted desert. Its energy readings rivaling our planet's sun. Rachel thinks it could be the source of the new Galcian technology. Only time will tell.
Ja, und jetzt? Also jetzt ist mal fertig. Speichern wir das auch. Machen vielleicht das anders mal weiter. Also ich sage, merci vielmals für zuzuschauen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss zusammen.